Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to AFK farm everything in Anime Vanguards. We will be using Salmon. It is image recognition macro that will help us clearing the stage that you usually can't clear with tiny tasks like Sid Raid and extra. But before we start the video, please head down and subscribe and like this video because it really supports me a lot. The first step that we need is downloading Hotkey V2. Hotkey is an open source language that help you in making complex macros and scripts and extra. It is just like the basically on how tiny tasks work. If you concern whether it's safe or not, you can just click here and see if it's safe. There is a bunch of text that I won't read. Go read it if you want, and you can see what is it for more information. Then just download the V2. Make sure it is the V2, not V1.1 because it is really old. The Salmon work on V2. Download it when you download it, just install and don't worry about antivirus thing or admin, like just install it. It is 100% safe. After downloading the hotkey, you will head to Salmon project site or the GitHub link. I will put both in the description. You will have to download the macro after pressing download. Your download will start shortly after. And when you download, I will show you the next step. After you download the zip file, make a new folder to wherever you want the macro to be. Then you will need to exclude that folder from the Windows Defender or whatever antivirus you are using because the Windows really mess up with the type of the file the macro is. So it just will delete it. After you make the folder, go to virus and threat protection, then go to the protection settings, manage settings, then go to exclusions and put yes add exclusion folder. We will head to the place that the Salmon folder is there in the desktop. So select the folder and congrats, it's now excluded from Windows Defender. So now you will have to put the Anime Vanguard macro, the Salmon one, in here. And you will have to just extract it here. Make sure to select it, extract. Then you will have a main file that have the Salmon AV. Run it. The Windows protect your PC saying just run anyway. It has no risk at all. And now there is a Discord ID section. Put your Discord ID if you have Orca or Donor rules. They are paid versions of the macro. If you don't, just press X. The macro will run after. Now you can see my rule is free. And let's go to the next step. The next step is you go to the Anime Vanguard and go to your private server, grab the link and copy it. You don't need the format of the link to be share-code, so you will put it here, just run the link. Now it will convert it to the private server link code. That's what you need to the Salmon to put the private server link. Now after you run Roblox, go to the extras, go to Roblox, put the private server link so it can auto reconnect, or you can go to the private server without going to Roblox. You can just run it from the macro, press save, and after you reach this step, you will either have to make a strategy for each stage by yourself, and this is so hard. You wanna make it for your units, and you wanna make sure that it is 100% win rate, or just go to the Discord Salmon and just download already made macro. So we wanna make a macro for Sidred Act 2. First thing we need to get the mount. I will be using the Nimbus Cloud mount. If you don't have it in your macro, you go to main raid. If you have the mount, just equip it. If you don't, then I will show you how to get it. Go to the Salmon project Discord server, verify with blocks link and double counter. Don't worry, it's safe. There is no risk for your data at all. Go to custom config, then AIO config 2.0. You will have to download the 3 mounts. Now when you download the mount you want to use, go to the Anime Vanguard folder, go to data, then go to Roblox, then mounts, then paste the mount you want. Then congrats, you now have the Nimbus Cloud mount. After you imported the mount file you are using, now make sure to equip Monarch Escanor in the Team 7 or whatever team you will use for said raid. After that you will head to config. Go to team placement, team 7, Here is the first slot. First slot is Escanor, so I will put the preset Escanor and placement 1 upgrade max, priority closest, and then press save, go to strategy, go to raid ruined city. If it is default, just press raid and ruined city. Now we will have to make actions for the macro. So to understand how the action works, it first go to the first action, do it. After it finishes the first action, it go to the second action, then the third action, and so on. Of course, the first action we need is to place scanner. Select one unit one and place. Then the second action put him to closest. Slot one, unit one, priority to closest. The third action we will need to upgrade him to upgrade max and use the ability 2 for the awakening. Slot one, unit one, upgrade max, action ability 2. Alright, now slot 1, unit 1, ability 1 for the nuke. Now you are good to go. Save and exit. Also make sure to go coordinates, go to raid, not rift, raid, then map, ruined forest. You will have to put the coordinates that will place Escanor in. You will need to put it in the Eisen place or whatever slot one unit one. This is the Escanor, the first slot of Escanor. Save, exit. Now I think we are good to go. Now after we made the seed raid macro, you will have to go to task and the custom, create a new task, mode raid, map ruin city, x2 team 7, save, then now you can run the macro. Press F2 or press this button, it will shortly teleport to raid after it checks the team 7 Escanor. And when it starts, it will wait for the map to load, then find the spot, and then it will start doing the action and do the tower whenever it can. Now you can see the macro in action. Now you can see it already won and it's repeating the stage and the tower is doing very well. So I don't think there is anything more to say in the seed rate. So now after we checked the seed rate and it's working properly and everything, now if you want more macro and config about the game, you will find in the Salmon project Discord server, you will find about dungeon raid and boss rush and odyssey and everything, I think. Also, if you want me to do more detailed video about the macro, just put in the comments. And don't forget to put a like and subscribe, by the way, because it supports me a lot, as I said earlier. I think there is nothing more to say, and goodbye.